Hello class, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to evaluate log 5 base 8 in terms of x if log 10 base 8 equals x. Without taking too much of our time, let's go into the solution. We know that log 10 base 8 can be rewritten as log 5 times 2 base 8 because of this law of logarithm that says that if we have log of a times b base 10 can be rewritten as log a base 10 plus log b base 10. So the same thing, we're going to apply the law here that log 5 times 2 base 8 can also be rewritten as log 5 base 8 plus log 2 base 8. If we are very familiar with that, that means we are half solved on the question. And we also know that from the beginning, log 10 base 8, which is also equals to log 5 times 2 base 8, is also equals to x. So if we know that, that means that this can also be equal to x. In that way, I'm taking this fraction out into here. That means we have log 5 base 8 plus log 2 base 8 equals x. And we have been given in the question that we are asked to evaluate log 5 base 8. So another law of logarithm says that if we have log of q raised to power n base m raised to power n is the same as this is now our exponent. We can drop this exponent into r over n. That's a rule that says that you can drop this exponent, the raised to power, you can drop them. If you drop this r, you drop this n, you're going to have r over n log q base m. In that way, we are going to apply the same thing here. If we continue solving from here, we have log 5 base 8 plus log, these two can be turned into 2 raised to power 1, and 8, the base 8 can be turned into 2 raised to power 3. Everything equals x. So we continue. We're going to have log 5 base 8 plus the same rule that tells us to go drop the exponent, drop this exponent, drop this exponent. So the same way we can drop this exponent. And when we drop the exponent, we're going to have 1 over 3 log 2 base 2 will equal x. If that is the case, what do we have next? We have log 5 base 8 plus 1 over 3 times 1 equals x, because log a base a will give us 1. Log, if we do this, log a base a, if they have the same, it's going to give us 1. So that's why we got that 1. We can see that it is solved that log 5 base 8 plus 1 over 3 will equal x. So we can take 1 over 3 to both sides, subtract 1 over 3 to both sides. If you do that here, you do that here, we're going to have log 5 base 8 will now equal to x minus 1 over 3. And that is the final answer to the question, because we are asked to evaluate log 5 base 8 in terms of x. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe to my video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.